Hey everybody, it's Tiffany from Quilter's Workshop, and today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I recently picked up a bunch of things that I'm going to be using for some future craft videos as I'm hosting a baby shower this weekend, so a lot of it is for that. Actually, all of it is for that. So I just thought that I would share what I found because I'm Canadian, for those of you who don't know, and initially I had gone to Dollarama to look for the things that I needed because if you're from around the Toronto area and maybe even from where you are too, there's literally a Dollarama in every plaza, and I was really disappointed because I went there and they didn't have anything that I needed, which never happens usually. Like usually I'm sorry, the dog's playing with her ball. Usually I'm really pleasantly surprised by what I find there. I usually end up finding a lot of things that I didn't know I was looking for. It's one of those stores. So I went to Dollar Tree on my way home. I found everything that I needed at Dollar Tree, which was so relieving because I was starting to get a little bit stressed out, wondering how I was going to get the things that I wanted. Also, sorry that my face is super shiny because I just washed my face. So the first thing that I'm going to show is this craft triangle banner. They're about 4 by 7 inches, and you get 14 of them inside, and they're made from that like brown craft paper, and it has the holes punched out at the top for you. And also from the same brand, so it says Creativity Inc. There's also gold alphabet letters. There's 64 inside, and these are 2 by 3. So I'm going to use these for the baby shower to put something on them and then string it with this ribbon that I got. Well, probably this ribbon, I'm not actually sure. I think that I might have something better, but I have to find it. And also, if you haven't watched any of my other recent videos, we moved recently, so everything is kind of all over the place, and that's why this wall is blank and it's kind of shadowy in here. But anyway, so this ribbon is super cute. It has little green and blue footprints on it, which is just so cute. And I could string that through here and make a little garland or a banner or whatever. The next thing are these rubber ducks. So there's a little pack of 3, and these are just the cutest. I can't believe I got 3 of them for $1. And I'm using these for, I bought my dog is interested in them. I bought a giant mason jar, like a drink dispenser with the little, I'm doing this like you know what I'm talking about, like the little lever that you would put the cup under for the drinks to come out. So I'm going to put lemon water, I think, in that for the shower. And then I had seen some people on Pinterest putting a rubber duck in the water, which you might think is gross, but I think it's really cute. Obviously, I'm going to wash them before I put them in people's water. And my idea behind a lot of the decorations that I'm going to be doing for the shower is for them to be practical. So I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on decorations that could only be used once and then thrown away. I wanted them to be things that she could take home and still get use out of, but also to look cute at the same time. So speaking of being useful, I wanted to make a diaper wreath. So I'm not sure if anybody has heard of diaper cakes and things like that. So I wanted to make a diaper wreath for my door because I think it's sort of traditional that you would put some balloons and stuff on your porch, so people who haven't been to your home, obviously it's a lot of people that I haven't even met before because they're her friends and not mine, obviously. So I think this would just sort of help identify the house and also makes a cute decoration. It's a nice little touch. And it's also something practical that she can take home after. And I actually got 2 because I was so impressed with the quality. Like I had mentioned earlier, Dollarama didn't have anything. And I had bought little wreath forms, I guess you could call them, at Dollarama before. And normally I expect them to have the foam option or the really horrible quality straw ones or something. But these, they usually sell these at Michael's for like $7 or something, and they're a good size as well. And I think this is going to be way easier because I'll just be able to tie the diapers on with ribbon instead of having to figure out how to put some sort of paper covering on them to hot glue them to an actual type of wreath, if that makes any sense. So I will play with these. I haven't actually seen like a tutorial or anything on how to make a diaper wreath. I've just seen pictures of the finished product, so I'm gonna just sort of wing it and make it up as I go. And to go with that, I don't know where it is, I don't see it here. I had bought a wider, like a taffeta, is that what it's called? Like a thin, crinkly type of ribbon that I can use to make like a big fluffy bow on that as well. And then I also bought a few balloons, just a light blue pack, just to put a couple on the porch and maybe put a couple inside. I'm not really sure how I'm decorating it because my house is still being organized and set up, and I just finished doing my kitchen table and my kitchen cupboard transformations. The kitchen table video is already up, so you can see the products and everything that I use for that over on my channel, and the one for the cupboards is coming, so I still have to edit that together. But anyway, so I just bought just a small package for $1 of those. Then as well, to go with my like theme of garlands and things like that, I had also seen on Pinterest that people use little pairs of baby socks to hang across, and they put them up with some little clothespins. So I got these miniature clothespins, and you get 45 of those for $1. And then I got 2 sets of socks, so that gives me 8 individual socks. So I think I might use 4 on one garland, because the garland that I'm using has those tissue paper tassels that I've made. So I'm going to put 1 sock in between each tassel. So that's why I think I might only need 4. So I could use 1 from each pair so that they're all mixed up. And these ones are really sweet as well. When I was at Dollarama, all they had was girly ones. They had tons of different kinds, like fluffy ones with the grips, ones without the grips, loads of different really cute prints, and they even had licensed ones, but they didn't have any for boys. So Dollar Tree had loads of different ones for boys, so I really liked all those. And also, when I was at the Dollarama, I just feel like I'm on a huge rant about Dollarama versus Dollar Tree in this video, but I was so disappointed. I've never had that happen to me before. So Dollarama normally has these, because I have purchased those before for a different project, and the ones that they had this time had little wooden owls clipped, like hot glued to the outside of the clothespin, which is fine, but all of the owls were pink and purple. So that's not going to do for a boy. And I don't know if I mentioned about the rubber duckies either, but when I saw the rubber duckies at the Dollarama that I was at, they had bigger ones, which is also fine. Like, the smaller ones were more ideal for what I'm using them for, but they had big ones, and they had little pink bows on their heads. Where's the gender neutral things? I don't know. So next, I bought this one pre-made decoration just because it was really cute, and it's a little 7-foot garland that has little animals on it, and it says it's a boy. The baby's already born, so it's not like the gender is a surprise, but I just thought it was really cute. Like, you can kind of see what it's going to look like across here with these little spirally bits that hang down, and I just think a 7-foot thing for $1, that's pretty cute. And maybe I can put this on the wall with some balloons on either side of it. I don't really know. I'm just gonna put stuff up everywhere. And then going with that, I got some package of Cutlery. These are the heavy duty plastic, so hopefully they're not as like cheesy as the normal dollar store Cutlery was. They felt better than the other ones that they had there, so I'm hoping these work out. So I got 2 packages of those because I'm not really sure how many I need. And then I got these plates because I thought they were lovely. Just a really cute color, and it says baby on it, and it has like a little old-fashioned carriage there. So that's everything that I got from the Dollar Tree for my crafts and stuff. And I'm actually going to be filming a video of my diaper wreath DIY, and hopefully you will enjoy that. Hopefully it works out now that I've announced that I'm doing it. And I'm also going to be doing the cake and the decorating, because it's at my house, with the help of a really good friend of mine, of course. So I will try to film a little bit and do some little tidbits. I'm imagining doing a sort of baby shower type video, just showing all of the different ways that I set things up and the different ways that I ended up decorating things. Maybe that will be useful to some people, and maybe some people won't care. So I don't know. But anyway, all of my social media links are always listed in the down bar below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.